Hi, if you are a newcomer who is planning to move into Canada, or you are already in Canada with an open work permit or with a PR and you are looking for a job, the good news is that the condition of newcomers in terms of job availability as well as getting the job in the right segment or the right experience is becoming better. However, when we say that, there's also a challenge to get to that spot from where you are currently standing. So statistics is saying that the ratio between which a newcomer would get a job and a newcomer not getting a job, that has become better. But a factor of that is because a lot of people are actually coming in as students and then they are creating their Canadian experience through part-time work and then getting into the job market. And that's the reason the ratio of newcomers getting a job in the right segment from the late 1990s or early 2000s or even early 2010, 2020s has become better in the last 3-4 years because of the fact that the government of Canada has moved a lot of immigration into temporary immigration, which is through the student study permit route as well as through work permit route. The question still remains that if that is the case, if statistics is saying it is becoming better, is it what we see at a ground level? In this video of the Compass Guide, we're going to talk about a couple of things which can help you to really bridge that gap. Thank you for watching the Compass Guide videos. I have not done some over the last 2 months, had taken a break, but now I'm coming back again. And today's discussion would be on 2 things that you should all, if you are a student who is graduating and getting into the job market, or you are an open work permit holder who has come with your spouse who is studying right now in Canada, or you're an economic immigrant or a PR and you are moving in and you are trying to get the right job at the right spot at the right industry. 2 things that I would strongly recommend that all of you do. Number 1, the first one is to understand where exactly is your experience coming from and what is your strength area. Very important to understand. A lot of time we get focused more on the job title. We get more focused on our people management abilities or capabilities that we have seen instead of focusing on the actual work that we can do, because this country, as I've always spoken about, is a specialist country. The job that you have done is a much more important piece than rest of the things. Yes, rest of the things are also important, but what is most critical is to understand where do you really stand from a job demand perspective, the job that you think is the right spot for you. What are they really asking for, looking for in Canada, and how and where have you actually shown that you have done this? That's the number 1. So which is kind of self-discovery. And then the second part is to understand, match what you have done before with what the job's demand is. The second point, very important. I know everybody talks about networking. The question about networking is to find your sponsors or your mentors in the right industries at right levels, who can not just tell you about how to go about something, but actually help you to get it. And that's where the difference is. The importance of understanding the right people to reach out to, give them your perspective, make them understand what you bring on the table, and then creating a long-term relationship so that if from that person's network something comes up, some job opportunity comes up, there could be a strong referral for you coming from that person. Now remember, nobody would refer you without knowing you. And they would only know you when you meet them, when you talk to them, take them through your journey, make them understand what you have done, understand their perspective, and slowly gain confidence. Now, all of this takes time. Relationship building is not a short-term thing, but your objective should be that your relationship building is your priority and not just to reach out to someone for a referral to get referral into a job, but it is to create that network around you which you currently do not have. So again, the difference is not about doing different things, it's about doing things differently. And that's where these 2 tips of mine would take you a long way. And remember, in this country, it doesn't matter whether you're a newcomer or not. It doesn't matter whether you are born in Canada or not. It doesn't matter whether you're 15 years experience, 20 years experience, or 1 month experience. If you do not have a job and if you're looking for a job, the options of looking for a job is the same. The process of looking for a job is the same. So put a method in the madness. I know at times it can be overwhelming, but if you put a method to the whole process, you would get results. You will find help. And please ask for help, reach out to the right people who can be your mentors and then your sponsors. I hope this video you like. If you like it, please spread the word, share among your friends and peers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And if you have a friend who needs help, and if you need help, please do reach out to me if you really want to talk to me directly. Thank you and have a nice day.